baby girl, and she smiled on cue. This is Stacy. That's been with me since about since birth, and I'm going to show you what it entails to adjust a baby practically. How you doing? How you doing?